tware kwa mwene thukuru.
Gicanjama kiambiriirie riria andiki a mohoro hamwe na munini wa county commissioner wa Kiharu mahamurithirio kuma thukuru-ini uyu wa Elite kuria megwikinyitie niguo mataririe uria Murutwo ucio arakuire.
CIO unaambiwa you get to Aragwa, you get the director of the school. So you talk to him direct.
The DCC goes to Murang'a to
so
see.
I am the DC of this place.
But
I go to Murang'a.
I will take you.
I will not go there. I want facts here. That's the school where the swimming pool is here. I'm the area DC. I want
Can't
to know
he
what
come to the school himself?
So
I cannot go to somebody's house.
He has directed us that you talk to him direct.
Kurerikana muthi wa ira arutwo a thukuru itiganite maratindire thukuru-ini ucio maciindano-ini ma guthambira, no umwe wao aragwa swimming pool-ini na njira ina kiriga na arakua.
You want me to go to Murang'a? So you don't know what happened. You know, I can easily say you conspired to kill this child. I can easily say that because you have used to talk. You want to give information, then it's
Tumeambiwa muende tu kwake.
No, let me tell you, my brother. Yeah. Listen to me very carefully. I'm the area deputy county commissioner, and I have a right to get information on what happened. You cannot just send me somebody's house. This is where the swimming pool is. I want facts, because when something happens like this, we need to know so that we can relate to other. Because we don't want speculation. So you know, when you are doing the hide and seek business, I can speculate.
So
I can speculate.
Contact.
I can speculate, and you can imagine how dangerous it can be when I speculate. Because there's nobody ready to give us information. So I would ask the DCIO to just come and investigate you people, because you are not able to give us information.
Igeria ria kwaraniria na urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu hamwe na uria uthambagia swimming pool retinagia na umithio.
Situation ikali iko vile iko, ili uchunguzi uweze kufanywa. Na ndio nimesema sasa kifungwe. Hata nataka kuambia mwalimu mkuu ya kwamba tumefungwa mpaka uchunguzi umalizwe ili ripoti kamili itoke.
Kuringana na ndumiriri iria yandikithitio ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Murang'a, mwiri wa Murutwo uyu uria ni wa form 3 thukuru-ini wa St Paul gathuki-ini uronirwo hwaini, swimming pool ino igithambio andu othe marikitie kuinuka.
Hakuna mtu ambaye anataka mtoto akufe. Mtoto ni wa jamii na mtoto ni wa Kenya. Hatungependa kuwekelea mmoja makosa, na makosa kama yamefanyika lazima tuweze kubaini ukweli kupitia kwa uchunguzi maalum.
Kurumirira gikuo giki kiria kiri na kiriga, uthuthuria baranginyo no wambikitwo gitongorio ni munene wa CID. Uhoro wa kiehani ati Murutwo uyu aragwire haha thaa 4 cia rucini, no mwiri wake uracokire kuoneka thaa 11 cia hwaini ni uria uthambagia haha. Inooro TV kuma guku thukuru-ini wa Elite Kiharu County ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinothia.